Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to learn how to add a icon before our add to cart button text. As you can see, there is a icon showing before our add to cart text. So to do that, first of all we have to install a plugin in our website called Code Snippets. Actually I am using WP Code Snippets plugin. You can download it from Google, or you can search this plugin inside our WordPress repository. You can actually click plugins, add new plugin, and you will find this plugin in our WordPress repository. So search WP Code Snippet. Here's the plugin. As you can see, it's currently active in my website. So I'm going to just create a new snippet. So click on add your custom snippet. So we are going to add an empty snippet, and I'm going to add a title here. Show icon before add to cart text. Okay, to show icon in our add to cart text, we have to actually create a function first. So function wpc icon button text. So inside this function we have to pass a parameter called button, because we are going to add a icon before our text. So we have to pass this parameter, and now create a new button. Actually this is a variable, so button new equal to quotation, and we have to search a icon. So HTML icon code. So we can actually copy icon from our HTML, and or we can actually copy icon from here. So I'm going to copy this icon, just copy this icon and paste it here, and make a space, then add a dot and concat with this our button parameter. Now we are going to just return our this new button new variable, button new. So we have to actually add this function to a WooCommerce hook to execute our function. So add filter WooCommerce, sorry, you have to put a single quotation here, WooCommerce product single add to cart text, and we are just going to put our function wpc icon button text, and that's it. If I save this, and one more thing, first of all we have to activate this snippet. So click on this active and click on save snippet. So if I refresh my home page, you will see this will be vanished. I'll tell you why. As you can see, there is no icon before our add to cart text, but if I click on this single product, if I view this single product, you will see the icon is showing on our single product, but it's not currently showing on our all products. So how can we show that in our all products? So first of all, to do that we have to actually add another filter, add filter. One more thing, this filter, this visual hook is actually for a single product, but we have to show this icon on our all products. So we have to actually copy this and hook, and we will just replace this single. We will just remove this single text, and then we will just add our function wp icon button text, and if I save this, must put a semicolon after completing your hook. So if I refresh this, you will see our icon showing on a, as you can see, our icon is showing in our all product, as you can see. So that's the easy way to show a icon before your add to cart button text. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you share this video to your friends. Thank you.